Look. Buongiorno guys, it's Max Ginestra. I'm still in Istanbul and today I'm gonna take you with me on a street food tour of the city. Are you hungry or not? I'm so hungry. Andiamo! Hello. One chocolate here.
Evet.
One with potato. Patata.
Patates. Tamam.
So we came to a local bakery. We ordered some Borek, which is a traditional, I would say, pie or pastry, layered, stuffed with. This one is stuffed with potatoes. I don't know what. Probably it's chili. Let's give it a try. Yeah? Oh, that's good. I never had it with the potato before. And I think it's got a bit of kick of the chili in it. The outer layer is crispy, it's still hot. Then we got this pastry with chocolate. It looks so good. Oh, that's good. It's not too overwhelmed with the chocolate, so it's perfect. It's not too sweet. Let's get a bit of chai. Oh, it's not that strong. It's nice, perfect. Look, local bakery, homemade. What else do you want? That's our first breakfast. So stay tuned for the second breakfast. Now we're going to one of the most popular local joints. It's one of my favorites and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
We received, guys, the işkembe çorba, which is a dried soup cooked with garlic, vinegar and egg yolk and a bit of wheat. Look at here. Wow. Oh my god, the smell. So let's put this gorgeous sauce, which is vinegar and garlic. Not too much. And a bit of chili powder. Wow, so flavorful. So first of all, there's no odor. The tripe has been cleaned very well. It just melts in your mouth. Look, you don't even have to chew it. And the broth is very delicate. You can see through it. Oh, wow. And the kick the garlic and the vinegar give, wow, amazing. Now what we receive is the liver kebab. Wow. Look, liver, onions and tomatoes. Let's try the meat first. I love liver. I'm a huge fan of liver. It's pure butter, just creamy, melts, brings me back to memories. I grew up eating liver, especially cooked the way my grandma used to make it for Easter breakfast. It's such a good memory. Oh, look at it. So this is their kokorec. How juicy the meat looks. And this is so crispy. Oily. Fatty. Oh! I want to try the skin. Wow. Bit crunchy. And it's cooked in the tandoor as well. It's completely different to the other kokorec that I've seen all over the city. And the fat. Buonissimo. It's a famous joint. Everyone comes for breakfast and lunch. Amazing. We are going to one of the most historical shops of the city, opened since the Ottoman Empire, so over 160 years ago. I'm not gonna tell you what we're going to try, so come with us. Here's the shop, so let's get in. Wow. Usta. Perfect. Teşekkürler. Chickpea, the leblebiciler. Oh, and I put it inside. Let's get some chickpeas. They sell this Boza, which is a wheat and corn fermented drink. Look how thick it is. And then they tell you to buy roasted chickpeas right in front of it. So what we do is we put at the top a tiny bit. We mix it. So we give it a try. Oh, that's nice. It's actually a bit acid. The consistency, as you can see, is very thick. A bit sweet. It's quite refreshing, actually. Tell you a little story about this drink. Since the Ottoman Empire, many centuries ago. So during the 17th and 18th century, it was prohibited by the Sultan because it used to contain alcohol. Now it doesn't anymore. Everyone is having it. It's always been a popular drink. It gives a lot of power, strength, and it warms you up. So it used to be popular among the soldiers. Now they sell it all over, and this is the only shop open since the Ottoman Empire. It's such an honor for me to be here today. Another thing actually used to be available only for the cold season because during summer it spoils, but now due to refrigeration system it's available all year round. This is Atatürk. It's a glass Atatürk, which is the founder of the modern Turkey, used when he came to the shop in 1937. Unbelievable, such an historical place. So guys, now it's time for lunch. Andiamo. Hello.
This is Borek.
Lamb meat?
Yes,
nice. You cook underground?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So it's a pit 2 to 3 meters deep, covered in mud. Wow. Oh, teşekkürler. Look at this kebab. Wow. Mamma mia, look, juice coming out. Wow. Mamma mia. Look at this. Oh my god, mouth watering. Look. Ah, look at the meat. So good, oh my god. Look at the fat, look at the fat. Oh my god, I can't wait to try. Oh, so smoky. There's a bit of a crispy layer outside and very tender. Oh my god, look. Mamma mia, buonissimo. Oh, let's give it a go with the pita now. Huge sandwich. Mamma mia. This is illegal. This is Buryan kebab. Wow, this is one of the best dishes I ever tried here in Istanbul. Mamma mia, I didn't expect it would have been this good. It's crazy. Let's jump on the other kebab. It's all lamb. Let's try a bit of the meat with some chili on it. So juicy, so hot. Let's try with the pita. So succulent, so juicy, so tender. Let's try the esme salatası with the meat. Buon appetito. This is a dream come true. So perfect. Smoky, tender, juicy. Local shop, perfect. Now guys, we're going to have dinner. So in one of the most popular places around the Grand Bazaar. Andiamo. Hello. Have a look at the meat. It's making like machoon. So guys, look how much food we have here. So we ordered the signature dish, which is a Shemus kebab with pistachio, lamb meat. Mamma mia, smells so good. And look at here, another dish I've been looking forward to try for such a long time. Patlıcan kebab, which is eggplant kebab. It's like kofta, meatballs with eggplants, everything. Put it in the oven. Wow. Then we have pide, kimali with mincemeat, chili, egg. We have bulgur with tomato served on a clay pot. And all this sort of bread, greens, salad. Let's dig in. Pistachio kebab. Mamma mia. Look how many spices. Pistachio. Mamma mia, so juicy, look. Really good. Çok lezzetli.
Afiyet olsun.
Çekiyorsun. Mamma mia, mamma mia. This is illegal. Give a try to the patlıcan kebab. Oh, this is eggplant infused. Confetti. Confetti the meat. Wow. Oh, you can get the eggplant right away. Just to get a bite of it. How creamy, mamma mia. Let's give it a try together. Wow, it's infused, eggplant infused. You can get the bit of smokiness as well. So we had pide in the past, but they make so many varieties of it. Let's give it a try. A lot of spices in the meat. Definitely got chili, peppers, other herbs. When the egg cook on top, it's nice. You got all the charcoal kind of a burnt flavor. That's lovely. Mamma mia. Buonissimo. That was definitely once in a lifetime meal. Incredibly delicious food, packed with flavor and fresh local ingredients. Huge thanks to all the staff for the hospitality. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more video. Ciao!